When you come home, what are you feeling? Maybe you are juggling multiple things. Maybe you are nervous or realizing you forgot something. Worry less with Philips Smart Lock. Philips Smart Locks make life easier. Easy to install. Easy to set up.
Setup successful.
Easy to use.
Door locked.
Easy to share. Let the Philips Smart Lock bring big changes to your life. Freedom you deserve. You can grow the garden of your dreams. Reconnect with friends. Play with your pet for a while. Give your loved ones extra attention. Spend time doing what matters most. Or, just in a daze for a while, enjoy your easy time. Worry less with Philips Smart Lock. Take your time. Discover more of the beauty of life.
Door locked.
Innovation and you. Philips.